Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your printer settings cannot be saved followed by with the error code 0x000006d9 operations cannot be completed. So the error prevents you from savings or updating printer settings, which can disrupt workflows and leave the printer unusable in certain scenarios. The error can also be caused by corrupted or incorrectly configured printer registry entries, outdated drivers, insufficient permissions, and recent system updates related network settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable Windows Firewall Service. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a services and then click open. And once you open up the services and then a services local, and on right side, and we need to find and locate this Windows Defender Firewall. So scroll down and then you need to find Windows Defender Firewall. So once you find and locate already, so all you have to do is to select and then right click, and the next step, so you need to select properties, and then here at general properties, and then you need to select at startup type and then automatic, and then you need to check also if this is running or not running, and then you need to select restart. But this scenarios is this service is already grayed out. Alright, so if you can't modify Windows Defender Firewall service, this is the example of grayed out. So you cannot click anything here. So even you click service is automatic start stop, this is grayed out. So all you have to do is to modify this at registry settings instead. Alright, so we need to close the services. And so all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And then here at search for apps. And then you need to type a registry editor. And then you need to click open. If you receive a user account control, and then click yes. And once open up this registry editor, and then next step, and then we need to navigate to the following key. Alright, so all you have to do is to select this HQ local machine. So select and double click. And then next step, then you need to select system folder, select and double click. In here at system folder, then you need to select current control set. At here at current control set, and then you need to select a services. So same procedure, select and double click. And then here at services, and we need to find and locate this MPS SBC. So scroll down. So once you already find and locate, so all you have to do is to click one time and on right panel, and then you need to select this start. Alright, so select this start, and then you need to double click. And then here at edit the word 32-bit value, and then you need to double check the value name start and the value data. Then you need to change this number into 2. So ready here number 2. And then at base, so you need to select hexadecimal and then click OK. Alright, so click OK. Then all you have to do is to close this registry editor, and then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so click restart. So after restarting this PC, and the other method or solutions that we're going to do is to update the printer's drivers. So all you have to do is to right click on the Start Windows button, and then select Device Manager. And once you open up this Device Manager, and then next step, then you need to select the print queues. Alright, so click this arrow to expand. And then here, then you need to select your printer drivers. So you need to select this HP LaserJet. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then tap update a driver. In updating this driver, so we have two options. One is the search automatically for drivers, and the other one is browse my computer for drivers. And then we need to select search automatically, and then tap, and then wait. and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after at device manager, and then we need to close, and again we need to restart this PC. So click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix printer settings could not be saved with the error code 0x000006d9 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.